Can a jet engine be used to cook bacon? Let's find out. Addo, you want some?
I'm good, buddy.
It's still sizzling. It smells like beef. Let me show my boss.
If I went to a cookout and someone did that, I'd walk away.
All right, so that was something. Check out my YouTube where I kind of tried to ride this. Peace out.